What's up, Grilla Nation? It's Reggie from What Did I Eat or Cook? Today, we're gonna make a pineapple, a brown sugar butter pineapple for dessert. But I got a twist. I'm also gonna use a Grilla barbecue sauce and some maple syrup, just as a side dish, a side project. Stick around. We gotta core up a pineapple. People always wonder, how in the world do you get that done? Well, I'm gonna show you, because we're gonna lop off the top, the bottom, cut the sides, get our rings, and then we'll ring them out. Pineapple is a really quick dessert, easy to do. 5 minutes each side, you get some grill marks on them. You put your brown sugar mixture on. And in this case, I have a little twist because I used a little bit of thick and bold with a little bit of maple syrup. Taste test, that's the true factor. No kids will be tasting this today, just me. Nothing like warm fruit coming off the grill. These were actually done on the Kong, but you could do it on the Chimp, you could do it on the Grilla OG, Silverback. Thick and bold with the maple syrups, a definitely interesting twist. Both of them sweet, both of them flavorful. See which one you like. Let us know. Give us your feedback. And once again, smoke on.
Got a grill? Time to get a smoker. A Grilla Grills smoker, that is. Grilla Grills pellet smokers will take your grilling game to the next level. Brisket, pulled pork, ribs, you name it. You can smoke like a pro. Order yours today at GrillaGrills.com.